हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, यू आर वेलकम इन KVBS लर्निंग। आज मैं आपको SST का फर्स्ट लेसन ऑन इक्वालिटी डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ, जिसकी मैंने आपको टेक्सचुअल पिक्स अपलोड कर दी हैं। एंड नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। ये हैं आपके ऑन इक्वालिटी पे की टर्म्स। फर्स्ट है कॉन्स्टिट्यूशंस पे। Constitution, a document that lays down the basic rules and regulation for people and government in the country to follow. Second है dignity, thinking of oneself and other person as worthy of respect. Third is Dalit, outcasts and untouchables. Fourth है democracy, a government under the direct rules of the people. Fifth, universal adult franchise, all adult, those who are 18 and above citizens have the right to vote irrespective of their social or economic background. Short question first. In a democracy, why is universal adult franchise important? Answer है, in a democratic country like India, all adults, irrespective of what religion they belong to, how much education they have had, what caste they are, or whether they are rich or poor, are allowed to vote. Second point है, the idea of universal adult franchise is based on the idea of equality because it states that every adult in a country, irrespective of their wealth and the communities he or she belongs to, has one vote. Second question is, state two ways in which Article 15 of our Constitution addresses inequality. इसका आंसर है, द स्टेट शैल नॉट डिस्क्रिमिनेट्स अगेंस्ट एनी सिटीजन ऑन ग्राउंड्स एनी ऑफ रिलीजन, रेस, कास्ट, सेक्स, प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ और एनी ऑफ देम. सेकेंड पॉइंट इसका है, नो सिटीजन शैल ऑन ग्राउंड्स ओनली फॉर रिलीजन, रेस, कास्ट, सेक्स, प्लेस of birth or any of them be subject to any disability, liability, restriction or any condition with regard to access to shops, public restaurants, hotels and places of public entertainment, the use of wells, tanks, bathing ghats, roads and places of public resort maintained wholly or part out of states funds or dedicated to the use of the general public. Question third is, which provisions of equality are an equality recognized in the Constitution? Answer is, every person is equal before the law. This means that every person from the president of the country to a domestic worker has to obey the same laws. Second, no person can be discriminated against on the basis of their religion, race, caste, place of birth, or whether they are female or male. Third is, every person has access to all public places, included playground, hotels, shops, and markets. Fourth point is, untouchability has been abolished. Fourth question, define the terms Dalit, citing examples from the life of Om Prakash Valmiki. Answer है, Dalit is a term that the so-called lower castes use to address themselves. Dalit means broken, and by using this word, lower castes are painting to how they were and continue to be seriously discriminated against. Second point है, Om Prakash Valmiki is a famous Dalit writer. In his autobiography Jhutan, he writes that he had to sit away from the others in the class, and that too on the floor. When he was in class 4, the headmaster asked Om Prakash to sweep the school and the playground. ये हैं आपके लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। Question number 1. What are the advantages of midday meal scheme? Answer is midday meal scheme refers to the program introduced in all government elementary schools to provide children with cooked lunch. These include the fact that more poor children have begun enrolling and regularly attending school. Teachers reported that earlier children would often go home for lunch and then not return to school. But now, with the midday meal being provided in school, their attendance has improved. This program has also helped reduce caste prejudices because both lower and upper caste children in the school eat this meal together. Midday meal program also helps reduce the hunger of poor students who often came to school and cannot concentrate because their stomachs are empty. Question number 2 लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है, राइट ए शॉर्ट नोट ऑन सिविल राइट्स मूवमेंट्स। ये आप यहाँ से देख लें, इसको मैं डिस्कस नहीं कर रही हूँ, आप यहाँ से कॉपी पे नोट करके याद कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, थर्ड, व्हाट आर द वेरियस चैलेंजेस ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी। ये इसके 5 पॉइंट्स दिए गए हैं, आप यहाँ से नोट कर सकते हैं। ओके, तो ये इसके 3 लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस थे और शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस पहले हमने बता दिए हैं। तो यहाँ ये लेसन कंप्लीट हो जाता है। आप ये सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नोट कर सकते हैं और लर्न कर सकते हैं कॉपी पर। तो ये एक जस्ट हेल्प थी कि सभी स्टूडेंट्स क्वेश्चंस बना सकें कोरोना टाइम में, और ताकि ये थोड़ी सी आप लोगों को हेल्प कर दें घर से स्टडी करने में। तो ये मैंने कोई वीडियो जो हैं प्रोफेशनल नहीं बनाई हैं, जस्ट एक आप स्टूडेंट्स की हेल्प के लिए बनाई है कि आपको क्वेश्चन आंसर्स कॉपी पे नोट करने के लिए मिल जाए। ओके, तो स्टूडेंट्स इसके साथ ही थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू एंड प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। थैंक यू।